Well, hi, I'm Carl and welcome back to Adventures in Camping. Today, we're going to be doing tripod lashing. We're going to make a small tripod, something that one person may want to use. If you want to make a larger one, same rules apply. Stick with me and we'll get right to it. All right, so first of all, I'm using these two logs as kind of a sawbuck, a place to secure this so that I don't cut myself. I'm also using a Baco Laplander. Okay, I found another pole. Not as straight as the others, but you can't always have perfectly straight poles. Okay, now let's check my length and see where I need to cut it off. All right, okay. Now let's get set up so we can actually show you how to tie this. Push that, close this, remember, start it away from yourself, okay? Let's get our poles. You want the narrowest part of the pole at the top. Like I said, you can't always get perfect poles, so we do have one here that's a little bit of an oddball, but you know what? I love oddballs because I'm one. And if you think you're an oddball, welcome to the club. Remember, clove hitch. Clove hitch. 1, 2, second one over. Then put that around whichever eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I want to do it around the middle one this time. Just as long as you got a good clove hitch. Okay, got that clove hitch on there. Now, it really is very, very simple. Let me get this in the best position. Okay, so there's a good position there where they're all together nicely. And now, I'm going to hold them together. And I am going to start wrapping these around. Yep, where would we be without our oddballs? Einstein was an oddball. But there's a lot of good oddballs out there. Be a good oddball. All right, how many have I went here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I've went around these 7 times. I want to make sure that it's strong. So now I'm going to frap. All right, stick with me. In a little bit, I'm going to show you something that is based on an 18th century frontiersman cooking kettle or pot. Hang around, we'll be right back. So I'm going to frap this first one. Remember last time I got a bad stick? I know this isn't a bad stick. There's a 1. Two. 3, and let's make sure. It's a big toggle, but hey, that's okay. All right. Now, see, I got that. Now I'm going to bring this over here, take it underneath this. You may have to see how I did that. Just give that a little twist. Push that up there. And One. If you want to make sure it's tight, use your toggle. You know, toggle doesn't have to be a little bitty thing. It needs to be whatever makes you comfortable doing the work. It's actually easier on my hands using a larger one. 2. 3, and bring that around. Now, I'm going to take this to the back. Let's flip it over. Okay. Now, I have ended right there at my clove hitch. So, I'm going to tie a what? Yep. Square knot. Okay. Square knot looks good. And I'm going to use this end for something. Stick with me and I'll show you what it is. So this is how it's set up and how it looks in place. And I was going to show you what I was going to do with this extra string. Follow that down, and you see that? That's a toggle. Guess what I'm going to do with that toggle? Okay, so I have, this is called a corn boiler. This is an 18th century style cooking utensil for the frontiersmen. Okay, they're very versatile. This is made in stainless steel. They're great. They're great for a one-person meal, and I actually like it. I like it so much that I haven't used it, so it's getting ready to get its inaugural use. So what I'm going to do is, see, I'll take that toggle, put that toggle right in there, right over that fire. Okay, now, I am using a taut line hitch. I heard somebody complaining that they didn't like a taut line hitch because it wouldn't stay tied for them. Well, they apparently didn't know how to tie one right. So I can use the taut line hitch to raise and lower my pot, coffee pot, whatever I'm using. Okay? See? Works great. Now the other thing that I did which allows this to work is I tied a clove hitch around it and 2 half hitches. Then I tied a loop into the end of this, and that allows for this to be able to be raised and lowered without any problem. Well, thanks for watching. Come back and we'll have some more styles of lashing. Almost done with the lashing, then we can get to some practical stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or, well, it's easy to give me a thumbs I don't care, but I'll take it. Take care of yourself, be careful, and show somebody some appreciation. Bye.